Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Chris Cooper, known as the Channel Guy Trader, and I'm reporting to you live from Wall Street Trading's Miami office down in sunny South Florida. Today's date is Friday, September the 27th, 2013. And here's today's midday market update brought to you by WallStreetTrading.com. I want to first off by saying I hope you guys are enjoying your Friday, and it is the weekend, so I hope you guys have a great weekend. At the same time, if you have not been to our website yet, wallstreettrading.com, go check it out. There's a lot of informative information on the site, and if you're looking to get some education, check it out. A lot of good insight on there. Aside from that, let's go ahead and take a look at the action today. That we have the Dow Jones currently down 70 and a half points. Nasdaq's down one and a quarter. S&P's down 6 and a quarter. If we take a look at the commodities today, here we have SLV silver up 11 cents on the SLV. JJC copper up 24 cents. GDX gold miners up 10 cents. GLD gold up $1.43. USO for crude oil down 12 cents. The top sectors in the market today changed from via the percent change from open on the ETF list we have here. XBI biotechs are up close to 1.25% from the opening price. VXX, that's up about 1% from the opening price. TNA's up there showing that the Russell 2000 is showing some strength from the opening price. XLV up 0.5%. I don't see anything standing out here today as far as the sectors go. The sectors that are weak, you have the GDX. It is up 9 cents now, but it did sell off from the opening price as it's down 1% from the opening price. Coal stocks are down 0.5% from the opening price. Junior gold miners, XLU. So I don't really see any standout sectors today. Everything's kind of down a little bit across the board as they were slick with the market here. You could feel that they wanted to break the market down yesterday into the close, but you had some big buyer, somebody hold the market up, and they marked it down overnight. Typical Wall Street. Let's not let the retail people make money when the market wants to sell off here. They sold it off at overnight, but well, they also sold it off overnight when the European markets opened at 3 o'clock. So they marked it down. But in any case, today um, we came into the session down, I believe, close to 8 points or so, and you can see here we filled the gap. Oops, sorry about that. 1680 was a gap fill from the daily charts. Actually, 1683. Okay, but we filled the gap all the way down to 16. We filled the gap and we went all the way down to 1680. They bought us at 1680. 1680 was our support to level that we gave out on our Wall Street Trading Facebook page and in our chat room. If you have not been to our chat room yet, it's mywallstreettv.com. The password to log in is SMART, SMART. And those were the levels that we're watching today. Now, we rallied off the lows and we're kind of chopping around here around the previous day's low. Let's not forget, this is a 30-minute chart, by the way, and we also have this declining 20-day moving average right here, so let's keep that in mind. You take a look at the 15-minute chart, you can see some more of the same action, of course. A little flash down below 1682s. These were buying opportunities right here. They bought that up, and now we're chopping around the previous day's lows. A little more insight you can see on the 5-minute chart here. All right, going into the open, we had a nice little range. They broke us down where we were not able to get back above. Let me take this out here. Let me clean this chart up a little bit. Well, let me just zoom this in here. All right, so we were not able to get back above the 1684 level that we broke down. So they got short right there. They marked it down, rallied all the way back up, retraced it back 50% of this move here, held, and then here we go back to the top side now. So what we did here, we put some Fibonacci extensions from this ABC pattern right, this AB pattern right here to give us a C extension. That gives us the target back up towards 1687.38. Okay, you can see we're having trouble though at the previous day's low. So we're gonna be looking to see if those levels that level gets hit later on here in the afternoon, right there around that 1687.50, which would be the ABC measured move this thing was to actually play out. All right, but aside from that, it's Friday, so the market may get a little bit slow in the afternoon session here, and we're going to be watching to see what happens. Let's see them take a look at a couple more things here with you guys. So again, the SPY just chopping around here today as we're still trying to carve out a little support area down here around the 1680, 1683 handle on the S&P. Nasdaq showing some nice strength today. All right, you can see the triple Qs here. They're pretty much flat now, but nice little gap fill. Once we broke back above the previous day's low and opening price, they rallied us all the way to gap fill. If the triple Qs continues to move to the top side, you want to watch the 79.30 level. And if we go back down, you want to watch for a move back down towards the bottom of the range, 79, maybe 78.9 if they pull us all the way back in. IWM, really not much to talk about here. It's pretty much just trading sideways. Take a look at the 50-minute chart. You can see you have a nice little range between, say, 106.40 and 107.40. It is slowly making lower highs. Could be forming a little bit of a descending triangle here a bit on the 15th, so be careful with that. Keep that on your radar. All right, so what are some stock trades that we're watching this morning? Well, you had a couple guys in the room here looking at Tesla. All right, 1 second, let me bring that up. A couple guys in the room looking at Tesla, TSLA. The stock's making new highs again here, 191.08. You can keep an eye on this day to see if it gives you a Bible pullback setup in the afternoon. Just know that it's been up a lot, and it could pull back in to 190 here before it makes that move. You have a nice little tight range here off this up move. Could be forming a bull flag for the afternoon session. Some other guys in the room are looking at MU. Okay, Micron. Nice move right out the gate, strong daily chart. And right now it's kind of flagging up here on the highs. Keep an eye on this name. Some of the solar stocks are in play. You can take a look at Tesla, TSLA. I'm sorry, not Tesla, Trina Solar, TSL, which is making new highs right now. Nice tight pattern that just broke out. Very strong, very strong daily chart. What else? We traded some WLT earlier. It was strong earlier, but then it kind of faded back down. Caught this little move right here. Just a little break, some action right there, but now it's crapping on itself. So don't even look at that name. Not a good name at all. Some of the Chinese stocks have been strong. Sohu, strong. Baidu, Sina, but then of course they faded the Sohu, so that's coming in right there. Um, what else? Let's see, JP Morgan's up close to 1.5%. See what this is doing. JP Morgan getting some buyers in it today. You can see a nice little up move, nice little downward channel right here that held. Looks like, and so there's some action in the financials. Let me see. Let me take a look at another solar name, FSLR. See what this is doing. FSLR up again today. So the solars are back in play, I would say here. I've been watching them for the past couple of days. Take a look at FSLR 50-minute chart. Has support down here at 41. Nice retracement. Looks like it did a 50% retrace. Maybe this chops around a little bit in the afternoon, then look for another markup around, say, 2 o'clock or 1 o'clock, 1:30 or so. But either way, keep some of these stocks on your radar. Again, S&P is not really doing nothing right now. It's lunchtime. And if we do continue to move higher, look for that ABC measured move to 1687.49. We break past 1687. Next resistance too is around 1691. Have a great day, folks. Have a great weekend. Catch you guys on Monday.